Okay, now that we've completed the research phase as well as our math with mass, friction, and drag, we can now move on to the engineering section of the CO2 car design. So you're going to do that by clicking on the engineering tab. Now this is called our user interface, and our user interface as well as what's called our modeling tree. Now, before we do anything at all, I want to make sure that you have a design able to be saved on the white box software. So let me show you how to do that first. What you're going to do, you're going to select File, you're going to select New, you're going to select New from Base Design. So now we have a new base design, and now we're going to make it your own. So you're going to select File again, File, you're going to save. We're going to call this concept name your first and last name. And we're going to put the number 1 after it because that's your first design. We're going to click Save a Working Copy. So now you have something to go back to when you log back into the white box software. Now, for this first initial demo on this, I'm going to keep it pretty simple. Really kind of go over just the basics and how we're gonna get you set up on what's called the user interface tutorial. And that user interface tutorial is located under the Help section. Click right next to File, Help. User interface tutorial, UI. What I'd like you to do is kind of just get in here and experiment a little bit. If you read the tutorial and remember from our previous activities here, if you want it to be read to you, click the little headphone button. But really what this does is it walks you through the basics of our user interface. That way you can kind of get in there this week and just kind of start playing. Really with our design, our modeling tree here, you can work your way down from left to right, top to bottom, make some just basic decisions and just get in there and play really. But we did want to get you into a little bit of experimenting with the modeling phase. Obviously next week as we move forward with this, we'll get you into a much more detailed version of this. But really what I'd like you to do is run through this UI tutorial and just kind of get in here and play in the modeling area.